Hello everybody, this is Mr. Anil. Today I have cough and cold. So I am sad today because my exam is running. I am taking medicine properly but my health condition don't get well. I have been suffering from this disease for 3 days. Due to this disease, I can't go to morning walk, but I want to go to morning walk every day. I don't go to morning walk now because of fearing if my health condition worsens more. And please pray for me to God so that I will get well so soon. If anyone in love, I pray for him to God. Hey God, please get him well so soon. So that's all about today. Thank you so much. And pray for me. Have a good night. Thank you.